Earlier this year, scientists in Australia developed what some are calling a cure to hangovers. By manipulating electrolyte levels, Professor Ben Desbrow and his team were able to create a beer that replaces water 3 times faster than regular ale, helping to fight the main cause of a hangover, dehydration. But unfortunately for students, the miracle brew hasn't been released to the general public, leaving most of us to face the harsh reality that a big night out often leads to painful mornings and missed lectures. But how much does it really affect our education? And to what extent does it damage our health? According to the Student Bean's 2011 and 2012 drinking surveys, 54% of students have missed a morning lecture due to alcohol consumption the night before, whilst 37% of students admitted to having no memory of how they got home after a night out.
I would say that drinking can affect your university education just because it's quite hard to concentrate in a 9 AM after 3 hours sleep and lots of heavy drinking the night before.
No, I don't think it affects my education because I always make it into lectures when I'm hungover, and I get down all my notes, and yeah, it's fine.
I do know a lot of people who've missed lectures because of the hangovers from last night and all that stuff. But I do feel that if you do put in the effort, you can still wake up and make your way to a lecture.
Yeah, it's all about that balance between like going out on a night out and knowing that you have like a 9 AM or a 10 AM and making sure that you can get to lectures on time.
Long-term excessive alcohol consumption has been linked to health problems such as various forms of cancer, heart disease and cirrhosis of the liver. But how much is too much? The NHS recommends that men should not regularly drink more than 3 to 4 units of alcohol a day. For women, this recommendation is slightly lower, 2 to 3 units.
I didn't drink before I came to Bristol because my parents they're devout Christians. My dad's a chaplain at our local chapel, and it wasn't that I ever felt that I shouldn't drink. My parents didn't really mind about that. It's just we never had alcohol in the house, and it was only coming here. I made some friends here and they were all big into drinking. I guess it could be described as a slippery slope.
Upon arrival at university, freshers may feel that drinking is a necessary tool for socialising, and although some feel that it is a vital part of the university life, it's important that not everyone feels pressured into participating. And for those of us who do like the occasional quiet one down the bar, it's important to remember that a night out with strong spirits often ends in a morning with low morale. Joe Goodman, UBTV News.